Looking for an easy-to-use, feature-packed drone that's perfect for beginners and kids? Introducing the JJRC H111 RC Drone, a compact, foldable, and high-performance quadcopter with an 8K HD camera, Wi-Fi FPV, and optical flow positioning. Whether you're a drone enthusiast or just getting started, this drone is designed for fun and stability. The JJRC H111 is built for convenience. When folded, it's only 95 by 60 by 45 mm, making it super portable. Once unfolded, it expands to 190 by 200 by 57 mm, ready to take on the skies. Its lightweight design ensures smooth flight while maintaining durability. Equipped with a 1800 mAh high-voltage lithium battery, this drone offers up to 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge. And with just 40 minutes of charging, you're back in action. The JJRC H111 RC Drone is packed with advanced flight features. Headless Mode, no need to adjust direction before takeoff. Air pressure fixed height, ensures a stable and steady hover. Optical flow positioning, enhances indoor and outdoor stability. 360 degrees rolls and flips, perform cool tricks with ease. 3 speed modes, choose from 30%, 60%, or 100% flight speed. Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission, stream live footage straight to your phone. Capture breathtaking aerial shots with the 8K HD camera and real-time Wi-Fi FPV transmission. Whether you're recording videos or taking photos, the stabilized camera ensures clear and smooth shots every time. Control your drone with a lightweight remote controller or connect it to your smartphone for an immersive flying experience. The mobile app lets you adjust settings, view live footage, and even control the drone directly. In the box, you'll get JJRC H111 RC Drone, Aircraft Blade Fixing Clip, Remote Control, Storage Cover and Battery, Charging Cable, Spare Blades and Screwdriver. Everything you need for a seamless flying experience. The JJRC H111 RC Drone is perfect for beginners, kids, and anyone looking for an easy-to-fly quadcopter with amazing features and a high-quality camera. Get yours today and take your flying experience to the next level. Like, share and subscribe Caring Guide for more awesome tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about this drone. Check out the link in the description to grab yours now.